My name is Tobi. You can call me Tobi. I am from Nigeria and I currently study Masters in Mechanical Engineering with a year in the industry. Swansea University is a beautiful university. Like the way the Bay campus looks, I've never seen a university close to the beachside in my life. So as soon as I saw it, I knew that I would just come study here. It's not easy for people from Nigeria to come study abroad because the currency rate with pounds to naira is very, very high. So having to come here during the pandemic, and my parents, they were earning quite low. Their salary was cut down to 50%. I'm the eldest son of a family of 6, and it's quite difficult to depend on my parents at my age, so I have to source for everything for myself. My rent was very expensive to live in, and I knew that if I don't have a rent for next month, I would be moved out of the house. I was having a lot of anxiety, stress. I couldn't really cope. It was really getting to a state of depression. So I had the opportunity to discuss with my mental health mentor with the university, and she kind of recommended and referred me to the financial team. And that made me go ahead to apply for the grant. You can get a lot of support at every corner of the university. Your academics, your finance, well-being. Having not to go through money stress again with having received that sort of grants, I felt relief. I could do my revision for exams so easily. And I do not have to do strenuous job all night because I used to. And that really, really gave me peace to pay attention to my exams. If I hadn't got the achub grant, I would have failed my exams. I know that you might not know me and I might not know you, but your donation has actually made me a graduate right now. And I would want to use the opportunity to express my gratitude and say thank you